Hello.
Hi, can you hear me?
Yeah, sure. I can listen to you and I can hear you. Well, this is Sarfraz Khan. Are you aware of my name?
I have talked to you before. I took your demo session actually.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it was on 1st of January this year, 2021. And you made my day on that day.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
that's
it's
true.
funny to remember the
No, actually, that I was trying to book your slots. I was just trying to book your time, but unfortunately, that you were not available yesterday. And
yeah.
unfortunately, that I had to go for this one. Just forgot. I think Parveen Khan day before yesterday, and I was
Wow,
late for
unfortunate.
Parveen Khan. Excuse
Yeah.
me.
Why is that unfortunate? Why would you call that unfortunate?
No, no, not unfair. You're talking about what? I'm not understanding what exactly you talked about. No, I just said that no, I want to talk to Miss Parveen Khan. Why? Because that I just saw her on a YouTube channel, not YouTube channel, just YouTube videos you talk about. Then she said that yeah, I want to speak in an American accent. So I love to talk to Miss Parveen Khan, but unfortunately that I couldn't get that because that. I reached late to my own place where I could communicate, where I could talk.
Yeah.
And one more thing is that and after that, what happened? My time slot was I reserved the time between 1940, that means 7:40 in the evening to
Yeah.
7:55. So I was late for because that I came out from a class at I think.
7:55,
Excuse
right?
me, speak little
Seven
louder. Your voice is not.
7:55.
7:55. Yeah, 1955. That means 7:55 in the evening.
Yeah, yeah,
Little
yeah.
louder. You're speaking very slow.
No, I'm speaking very loudly. That's, I mean, could you check your like device or
Oh,
whatever?
yeah, fine. And yesterday I talked. I got to talk to this one. I had to talk to Miss Anushka Pramchali, and her video was not visible. She was not visible, and I just said to her that, yeah. First, one thing that I would like to tell you that you please let me speak for first 2 minutes. I want to tell something. You know what? The video, which I think like we had a community, we had just had a conversations on 1st January, and
Yeah,
I uploaded that video on my YouTube channel, and you know what?
I saw that.
Got highest number of views in terms of my views also that you can talk about, and I got positive responses, positive comments. Yeah, some of the responses were something negative, like that. Somebody said that, sir, you should let her speak something. You were interrupting her in our conversation, something like that. She was going to speak something, but you were interrupting. So today in this conversation, I'm not going to stop you. You are going to speak everything.
Thank you.
And
I will.
thank you. Why did you say thank you? Did you have to speak
I
thank you?
was waiting to speak, but you never let me. Okay.
One more thing. And today, it would be, I would make a situation like you are not a tutor in this video session. It's just a situation because, conversations will not be one-ended. It would be, both-ended. Like I should also talk to you. I should also ask you some questions. And you should also ask me some questions. So it should be like this
That-
one.
yeah, that's exactly my point. It
Oh,
shouldn't be
fine.
one-ended. Yeah.
So I'm a tutor right now.
You are a
And
tutor? Okay.
right now, it's just a situation.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay.
Okay. So what do you do? When do you start attending your calls in Clapingo? I'm talking about Clapingo. When you start attending the calls?
I think in August 2020. Yeah, I've
Okay.
been here
No,
since August
August
2020.
August 2020. I think
Yeah.
I opened my YouTube channel. I created my YouTube channel on in that. I didn't know anything about Clapingo, and it was not at all widespread. It was not even nobody knew that about. I think
Hmm.
very few people. I got, as I told you, that Cesar Farouk was the person that threw him. I got to listen something about
Yeah.
Clapingo, and I joined also.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
At a very initial stage. Yeah.
yeah, so are you in Bangalore still, or that you have moved out from that place?
I'm in Patna right now.
Oh, you're in Patna. Fine. Okay. Next question. It's a situation. I know that though you were a tutor, but you are right now a learner. I'm a tutor.
Please go on. You've explained that. Now, please go on with your questions.
Okay. So, what are the questions that do you ask to your learners in Clapingo? Like
Okay.
like whenever that you have a conversation with another learner. So, what are the questions? What are the plans? What are the strategies do you have to you know?
Yeah. Get your question. Yeah. Okay. Okay. How many sessions have you taken with Clapingo so far? First of
I
all.
think it's the fourth. This is the fourth session. and hopefully that this would be my last session. My first session was, it began from you, and it would be last.
Okay. So you must have realized by now how so every day we don't ask any questions. It's a very casual conversation that we have with our learners.
Hmm.
Of course, we just prompt some questions, but yeah, we don't ask any questions as in an interview. Yeah, we just have a
That's true.
very casual conversation
Okay.
with our learner. And
Definitely.
every day
No, no,
there's
no.
a
You must be
conversation
having
about
some. You must be having some. Excuse me. Yeah, you must be having some questions planned. Like, what are the questions? What are the criteria? Like, sometimes
we
shopping,
have this
sometimes.
yeah, so we have different topics for each session. The topics could be
Mm,
anything, very casual, very random topics,
yeah, that's
maybe
true.
cooking, or movies or travel, anything. So yeah, the questions revolve around that particular topic. Yeah.
So now, can you let me speak something? No, actually, one thing that after you, like after demonstration, I got to talk to Mr. Divyam Jan, and he said something like, how was the weekend, Sarfaraz? So I got
You
totally astonished.
could you please repeat that? I could
No,
not
no,
hear
I
you.
just no, no. I think after demonstration, like on 1st
Yeah.
January, that I got my
What did you
demonstrations,
do? Yeah, yeah.
and
What did
then
you?
I got to talk to Mr. Divyam Jan. I think his name is Divyam Jan. I think one of that
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
famous
yeah.
Clapingo tutor. Because that he is almost seen in YouTube videos. That's it.
Yeah,
So he
yeah.
asked me the question that how was your weekend, Sarfaraz? So I got listening to that, really, I got surprised. Not I got surprised, I got shocked that what kind of question that directly he asked me. And one more thing, that he was silently that by bowing his head, bending his head, and then he was writing something. Then I said, what kind of conversation is going on? Like how you are talking to me, how you're communicating with me, it's totally different in that case.
Yeah. Okay, all right. I think
Oh,
it must have been your first session with him, so he must have been writing down what areas we need improvement upon and all of that. And yeah, about the weekends, it's a very normal question that any stranger can ask you. So we're just preparing you for that.
no, no, not like that. No, the way he started doing so, the way he started speaking in this way, like how you were talking to me, there is an eye contact, but he was not speaking like that. He was just, by bowing his head, and then, by just, you can say that by bending his head down, and he was writing something on copy, something. Oh, fine, that I do mistake. Everyone mistakes. So that doesn't mean that you have to just mark an error in each and every sentence. There is an error because Clapingo is a platform where we can have where no, I've seen in many comments, number of videos, that Clapingo is a place, it's a platform where that English is corrected, the sentences are corrected, all these
Yeah.
things. But you are really superb in voice, superb in quality, both.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
I was waiting for this response.
Yeah, okay.
So
So,
now you're a
yeah,
tutor. I'm a student. I'm a learner.
okay. So
Carry on.
finally, thank you. Thank you for passing the mic, sir, for us.
Okay,
Okay. Okay.
fine.
So today I had something like really interesting planned for you, but I don't
Which
know.
one?
Like we only have 5 minutes, like five to.
No problem, no problem at all. Just I don't want anything. Just I want only conversation. This is
Yeah.
what. If you talk to me very well, my day, my evening should be better. It would be really very good enough. And I requested one more thing is what that for a Clapingo tutor. You said that right after this session that one of my associates would call you back. And you know what? I've been waiting for that call since last no for 40 days, but I didn't
Yeah.
get such calls.
So yeah. Okay. So you can visit our website,
Yeah, this is
clapingo.com.
what that you should have told me. No, this is what that you should have told. You said that no, right after this session, that one of my associates would call you back.
Yeah. Okay. They should have. I don't know what happened in between. So there's a teach with us section on our website.
Sure,
Of
sure.
course, you have to go through a recruitment process.
Uh,
They will judge
One
you.
thing, yes, Ms. Shambibi, what motivated or who motivated you to join Clapingo?
The platform itself, it's a one of a kind platform. I haven't seen any other spoken English training platform in India. It's the
Uh,
first of its
oh,
kind in
fine.
India, I think.
Really?
So
Didn't you see? I think Camly was also the one with the platforms. Did you join? Did you go? Did you apply in Camly?
I'm talking about about an Indian platform.
Oh, wow. Perfect.
I just said that it's
Summarized
the first
into
of its
one.
kind in India.
Yeah, that's true. So you're talking about that Indian platform. Fine. But I want to go for this one too. I think I'm planning maybe next month. I don't know whether Clapingo team will hire me or not. It depends only upon Clapingo team.
Yeah,
But I'm
I
trying to
guess
go for that.
there's a whole recruitment process that you have to go through. They ask for some videos
Oh,
and yeah.
no, I have to. He said that I have seen that in in a website that it was written that you have to make a 2 minutes video, that short film. It should not be too long, and they are asking for your resume, and that's resume if you talk about, and then
It's a resume, not resume.
no, I said that resume. I said that resume. I just said it
Resume.
now. You would have listened after that. Yeah, it's a resume, and then after that, which one? I think something I forgot. Forgot.
Yeah,
So now
yeah. They
you
ask
can,
for a couple of videos. They ask for a couple of videos, and yeah, it's
yeah,
totally
not
their
couple of
decision
videos. They
to
ask only
hire.
for, they ask only one video. That's 2 minutes video or 1 minute video. That should be about, it should be above, it should be up to 150 seconds.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, the recruitment pattern changes in every.
Changes, I don't know. As of now, that this is the right one.
Okay, all right.
Maybe. Okay. So now you can speak anything. I think, are we ending?
In about 2 to 3 minutes.
Two
So
to
why
three
don't you
minutes.
continue? Because I cannot
Yes.
start a new topic in 2 minutes. So
No,
why
no,
don't you?
there is no. See, no, you can carry on some other topics too. You have because you're a tutor on Clapingo. You can speak something. You can talk to me something.
I had something interesting planned for you today. Only if you wouldn't let me speak.
Oh,
So
fine. I'm sorry. Yeah, but one more thing. Did you know that like now my learner or the person who would join me is Sarfraz Khan?
no, yeah. We know that. We know the learner's name. Yeah.
Oh, so did you remember that the person Sarfraz Khan is the person that who talked to me on 1st January?
Yes, because I've seen your video, so I remembered your name.
Oh, one thing. Just tell me how was the video? Was it good? Did you
Yeah,
get did you get did you get to see the positive responses, the comments, the
yeah.
likes?
I saw a lot of comments. Yeah.
Thank you for this one. And it's all about the credit goes to you.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Oh, you just mentioned that this might be your last session. So would you like to explain that further? Because we only have 1 minute more left. So
No, actually, maybe that it may be the last one, but the next thing that I'm gonna be a tutor. I'm just trying to be on tutor on this Clapingo. So for this reason, that it would be the last. But yeah, I would continue. Maybe that what are the things required again renewal. Maybe I have to register for one again, one per week, one day per week plan, because that I'm not free for all 7 days or 5 days or 3 days. As
yeah,
as you know that I also take classes.
the working hours are quite flexible at Clapingo. You get to decide your own timings.
Okay, so don't you work from morning to evening? That you work only from evening to this one, from 4 to 5, like that.
My slots are from 4 to 9 or 4 to 8. Depends on, it's different on different days,
Okay,
depending
but
on your work.
when who wants to talk to me in the morning, like I mean to say about 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 11 o'clock, then is it not
Yeah,
possible to talk to you?
there are other tutors who might
There are
have
other
that.
tutors. There are other tutors. That's true. Yeah, fine.
My time
So
slot
Mr.
is
Divyam Jain will be
5 to 8.
there. Mr. Divyam Jain will be there. Miss
Yeah.
Diksha will be there. You know
Parveen,
what?
yeah, Parveen could
Praveen
also be.
Khan, yeah, I really missed her. I wanted to talk to her.
Okay. Okay. All right.
So now, would you want to ask any questions? Because I don't know. Unfortunately, very soon that I don't know that how the call is disconnected. There is no particular time is being displayed over here also on this screen.
Yeah, the sessions auto cut in
Oh,
like.
okay. Oh, check it. Okay, now so far, Miss Shambhavi, how is my
Mm.
conversation? Because that I got to learn in 5 sessions. I got to learn a lot from Clapingo. Just tell me
Yes,
that.
your grammar has improved immensely because you were
Really,
making,
my
yeah,
grammar has
because
been
you were
improved.
making, yeah, you were making a lot of grammatical mistakes in our demo session. So I
Really,
remember, yeah, I told you that in that session also.
No, that
But
you only just marked only one. There was only one error. That was you type of people, and now you were saying that you were making mistaken grammatical mistakes.
yes, I told you that when I was giving you the feedback that you made a lot of grammatical mistakes and I could not interrupt in between because you did not let me. So yeah, but now your grammar has improved quite a lot.
Thank you for
So
this one. And really, this is the whole credit. You can say that. I think Clapingo or Camly.
Clapingo.
Clapingo itself, perfect. Very, very good one. So now, do you want to speak anything? Do you want to ask any question?
No, we are actually past our time.
Oh,
So
really?
yeah,
So have a good day and have a good evening too. Hope for the
same
best.
to
Best of luck for the next one.
yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much. Bye.
Take care.
Yeah.